About this item: multi-platform compatibility. OUBANG unique elite controller for PlayStation 4 is compatible with your PS4/PS4 Pro/PS4 Slim/PS5 console, only support PS4 games on PS5 console. Our SCUB PS4 controller is also perfect for the Steam game platform on PC, Windows July 8, 10. And you can custom set this PS4 Turbo controller on DS4 Windows. It supports Android phones and iPhone 22022 new model design. OUBANG newest controller for PS4 is the exact size and shape of the PS5 controller. This elite PS4 controller is made of imported materials that is anti-sweat, non-slip and skin-friendly. It is with full features as original PS4 controller, such as dual vibration, touchpad, 6-axis sensor, audio jack, share personalized configs. The unique turbo function of this PlayStation 4 Elite controller can achieve one-click bursts. You can further develop your competitive skills and win faster than ever with this gamepad control PS4. There are two paddles on the back of the PS4 Pro controller, really helps in competitive play. It can be mapped to 12 different functions, //L1/L2/R1/R2/R3/options keys. Upgrade analog pinpoint accuracy. The ergonomic design of our OUBANG PS4 controller wireless is specially designed to ensure perfect control and execution. Its analog